Hello everyone, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 11. The name of the chapter is Measurement of Capacity. In the previous chapters you have already learned about the measurement of length, measurement of weight, and you have also learned about measurement of time. So in this chapter you are going to learn about the measurement of capacity. So the quantity of liquid and how much water or how much liquid a vessel can hold, that is called the capacity. That is called the capacity. So what is the capacity? The quantity of liquid or how much quantity of liquid a vessel can hold or a container can hold, that is called the capacity of that container. একটা কন্টেইনার যতটা লিকুইড হোল্ড করতে পারে বা যতটা লিকুইড একটা কন্টেইনারে রাখা যেতে পারে, that is called the capacity. So the quantity of liquid and capacity of any vessels are measured in liters and milliliters unit. So these are the unit of capacity: liters and milliliters. Liters and milliliters. Liters and milliliters, these are the units of capacity. Remember this, okay? And there are two short form of these two units. L is the short form of liters, so we can use this letter, this L, for this unit, liters, and ml is the short form of milliliters. Ml is the short form of milliliters. Okay? So for measuring the smaller capacity, we need to use this unit, milliliter unit. And for measuring the bigger capacity, we need to use liter or kiloliter, these units. Okay, so there are two types of containers used for measuring liquids. দুটো টাইপের কন্টেইনার আছে, যেই কন্টেইনারগুলো আমরা যে কোনো লিকুইডের ক্যাপাসিটি মেজার করতে ইউজ করি। ওকে, সো হোয়াট আর দ্য টাইপস অফ কন্টেইনার? Look at here. One is cylindrical container and the another one is conical container. These are the cylindrical container and these are the conical container. Okay, so there are two types of container for measuring liquids. These are the cylindrical container and these are the conical container. You can see here, this is a container. This is the cylindrical container of 1 liter. This is 500 milliliter container. This is 200 milliliter. This is 100 milliliter, and this is 50 milliliter. And these containers are used for measuring water, milk. Okay, so these containers can be used for measuring water and milk. So remember this. Cylindrical containers are used for measuring the water, milk, this type of things. Okay, and liter unit is used for measuring water, milk, kerosene, petrol, this type of liquids. And milliliter unit is used for measuring the capacity of cough syrup, perfume, shampoo, and any other cream. So this type of things is measured in milliliter units, and water, kerosene, petrol, diesel, this type of liquids are measured in liter units. And these containers are used, these cylindrical containers, these containers are used for measuring the water, milk, etc. and this type of container, that is conical containers, this type of containers are used for measuring oil like petrol, diesel, kerosene. Okay, so you can see, you can notice that this type of containers are used for measuring oil like petrol, kerosene, diesel. Okay, so these are the two types of containers which we can use for measuring the capacity of any liquids. Today our next topic is conversions of liters into milliliters. You know that liters and milliliters are two units of capacity. So now I will teach you how can you convert the liters unit into milliliters unit and how can you convert milliliters unit into liters unit. You know that liter is the this unit liter is greater than this unit milliliter unit, because you know that 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliters. So liter unit is greater than milliliter unit. So for converting of liters into milliliter, that means we have to convert the bigger unit into smaller unit. And you know that to convert bigger into smaller, we need to multiply. To convert bigger into smaller, we need to multiply. Bigger কোনো কিছুকে smaller কোনো কিছুতে convert করতে গেলে আমাদেরকে always multiply করতে হয়. So for the conversion of liters into milliliters, we need to multiply the number of liters by 1000. Because 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. So for conversions of liters into milliliters, we have to multiply the number of liters by 1000. Okay. Next, here there are some example. We will convert this into milliliter. 2 liter equal to how much ml? You know that for the conversion of liter into milliliter, we need to multiply the number of liters by 1000. So you have to multiply these two by 1000. So 2 into 1000, this will be 2000. So 2 liter 2000 ml. 3 liter, 3 into 1000 gives 3000. So 3 liter equal to 3000 ml. 5 liter. 5 liter equal to 5000 ml. Next one, 8 liter 250 ml. You have to convert this into milliliter. Here is this one is already in milliliter 250 ml, but you have to convert this into ml. 8 liter. 8 liter means 8 into 1000, and there is also 250, so you have to add this quantity. So 8000 plus 250 ml. So this will be 8250 ml. 8250 ml. So 8 liter 250 ml equal to 8250 ml. Okay. Next topic is conversion of milliliter into liter. You know that milliliter unit is smaller than liter unit. So for converting smaller into bigger unit, you need to divide. So for the conversion of milliliter into liter, we divide the number of milliliters by 1000. Milliliter থেকে লিটারে কনভার্ট করতে গেলে আমাদেরকে 1000 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করতে হবে, and লিটার থেকে মিলিলিটারে কনভার্ট করতে গেলে আমাদেরকে 1000 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করতে হবে. ওকে, সো দিস ওয়ান 4000 milliliter equal to how much ml? You know that to converting milliliter into liter, we have to divide. So 4000 milliliter के লিটারে কনভার্ট করতে গেলে আমাদেরকে 1000 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করতে হবে. 4000 divided by 1000. 4 ones are 4. So this is 4004 liter. 8000 ml equal to 8 liter, because 1000 দিয়ে 8000 কে ডিভাইড করলে আমরা 8 পাবো. So 8000 ml equal to 8 liter. Next one, 8500 ml. 8500 ml equal to dash liter dash ml. So 8500 কে আমরা 1000 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করব. 8 ones are 8, so 8,500 minus 800, this gives 500. So 8 liter 500 ml. Next one 4285 ml. Similarly আমরা ml থেকে লিটারে কনভার্ট করতে গেলে আমরা 1000 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করব। 1000 দিয়ে 4285 কে আমরা ডিভাইড করব। 4 ones are 4, so 4 1000s are 4 1285. 4285 থেকে 4000 আমরা মাইনাস করলে কি পাবো? 285 পাচ্ছি। So 4 liter 285 ml. So this will be the answer. This is how you can convert any ml into liter. Okay, so for converting the liter into milliliter, we have to multiply the number of liters by 1000, and for converting the milliliter into liter, we have to divide the number of milliliter by 1000. Okay, so everyone remember this concept. 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. Okay, and using this relation we can convert any liters into milliliters and milliliters into liters. So this is all about for your today's class.